Hello everyone, I'm gonna be, sorry, I'm a little bit tired. I'm gonna be solving the Rubik's Cube right now. If you wanna learn how to solve it, just someone leave it down in the comments and I'll teach you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Let me, get right back. Give me a minute. Alright, the Rubik's Cube is all mixed up, as you can see here. So I'm gonna try to solve it. Oh man, I messed up. Alright, that was me solving the Rubik's Cube. So, yeah. It's pretty easy. Well, I'm not a pro at it, but I do know some cool stuff. Yeah. Alright, that's me solving the Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna get a other mix-up, if you don't mind. I'm gonna solve it one more time. So yeah. The Rubik's Cube is mixed once again. I'm gonna try and go as fast as I can. So just give me a minute. Oh crap! I messed up. Oh man, I messed up. That's a solve right there. Oh yeah. Pretty easy stuff. Well, it's kind of easy. I know some people use these speed cubes. Don't don't bully me because I'm using a Rubik's brand. But yeah, it took me a month to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I use the beginner's version, and I've been kind of coming up with shortcuts. The fastest time I ever solved it was 1 minute and 6 seconds, which is pretty slow. Pretty slow for, because I know some pros, they can do it in like 9 seconds and stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys next time.